Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix videos on your Android that is keeping on pausing or keeps on buffering. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So if the problem persists on your local videos on your gallery on your located on your phone, so the reason might be because you have a poor internet connection. So all you have to do guys is check if you have your internet connection working, and if not, you just have to reset your modem or router or whatever, or check your internet service provider if it is okay, or if it is having a maintenance. So keep that in mind guys. But if not and it's still buffering and you notice on your videos that it is still buffering, uh, I'd suggest to try and restart your phone and see if that will work for you. So the next one guys, if you are having it on your YouTube and you are playing videos and it keeps on buffering or pausing continuously, so I'd suggest to go on over and see uh, if there is a new update on this app, because that might be the reason why this is occurring to you, because the app is outdated. So go over to your Play Store and see if YouTube is updated to the latest version. As you can see, mine is updated. You just have to make sure guys that you are updated to the latest version of this app. So okay guys, those are the solutions for this problem. Thank you for watching and goodbye.